If there's one thing that consistently drives better proposal performance, it's personalization. We saw a clear pattern. Proposals that included the recipient's name and logo had 12% more engagement. Add a short personal message, and that number jumps to 29%. Tailor a few slides to reflect their specific needs or priorities, and you got a 33% uplift. Do all three, and you're looking at a 47% improvement. And then there's one small change that made a big difference, including a slide called "What We've Heard From You." Just that one section, summarizing what they care about and what they've told you, boosted engagement by 31%. Still, only 11% of proposals had it. So if your proposal feels generic, it probably reads that way too. The bar is low, and that's your opportunity. Put in a little more effort than most, and you'll be miles ahead.